How to fix story comment not showing on Instagram in iPhone. So let's start the video. So first of all, to solve this problem, open your App Store and then search here Instagram. First of all, check your Instagram update. If you update your Instagram, and if it doesn't update, then here you can see the option update. First of all, update your Instagram. After updating your Instagram, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now here you can see the app Instagram. Now click on it and here you can offload your Instagram app. Now click on offload and then again click on offload app. After offload your Instagram app, then click on reinstall app. After reinstall it, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.